In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to an Asana Workspace. Adding teammates to your Asana Workspace is one of the first things you'll want to do so everyone can see projects, tasks, and deadlines in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to invite anyone you need in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're in the correct workspace or organization where you want to invite this person. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. This might show your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with different account and workspace options. In that drop-down, look for the option that says Invite to Asana. This is the built-in way to add people to your workspace. Click on Invite to Asana, and a pop-up window or panel will appear. This is where you'll enter the details of the person you want to add. Now, in the invite window, you'll see a field where you can type in an email address. Click into that field and carefully type the email of the person you want to invite. Take a moment to double check the spelling. If the email is incorrect, they won't receive the invitation. If your plan allows it, you may be able to add multiple people by entering several emails separated by commas or spaces, but at minimum, you'll be adding at least one email here. Some versions of Asana may give you extra options in this window, like choosing which team or project they should join right away, or adding a short message to explain why you're inviting them. If those options are available, it's a good idea to set them now so the person knows where to start when they log in. Once the email is entered and you're satisfied with any optional settings, look for the button labeled Send. This is usually located at the bottom of the invite window. Click on Send to send the invitation. Asana will then email that person with a link to join your workspace. After that, all you need to do is wait for them to accept the invite from their inbox. When they do, they'll appear in your workspace, and you can start assigning them tasks and collaborating right away.